Today's video topic is how to get rid of dark spots on the face. Having dark spots on the face can be very annoying. While the spots can be embarrassing, there are always ways you can fix it. Here's what you need to know about why dark spots form and how to get rid of them. Causes of dark spots on the face. Hyperpigmentation is caused when the cells in the skin, known as melanocytes, produce too much melanin, the pigment responsible for giving skin its color. Sun exposure can cause an increase in melanin production, resulting in an uneven skin tone. Hormonal changes during pregnancy and menopause can also lead to the formation of dark patches on the face. 1. Hydroquinone creams and serums. One of the most popular treatments for dark spots is the use of topical creams and serums containing hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a skin-lightening agent that works by reducing the amount of melanin in the skin, thereby lightening the appearance of darker areas. Hydroquinone creams and serums are typically available in concentrations of 2 to 4% and should be applied twice daily for best results. 2. Retinoid Solutions. Retinoid solutions, such as Retinoid and Renova, are very effective for dark spots on the face. Retinoid solutions contain vitamin A, which helps reduce the appearance of dark spots by exfoliating the skin and blocking off pigment production, which results in forming dark spots. 3. Beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid, which simply means a natural pigment found in fruits, vegetables, and plants. It can be taken orally or applied topically to reduce the appearance of dark spots. Beta-carotene works by helping skin cells regenerate and produce collagen, so it reduces lines and wrinkles and prevents dark spots. 4. Laser treatments. Laser treatments are performed by a dermatologist and use a pulsed light to target the pigmentation in the skin and break it up. This can be done in a single session or over several sessions, depending on the severity of the dark spots. Laser treatments are usually more expensive than chemical peels, but they can be very effective. 5. Chemical peels. Chemical peels are designed to improve the look of the skin by removing the top layers of dead skin cells. The peels often contain alpha-hydroxy acids or other exfoliating agents that help to break up the pigmentation and create a smoother, more even skin tone. Some chemical peels require a few sessions to achieve the desired results, while others can be done in a single session. In addition to laser treatments and chemical peels, there are other treatments available for dark spots. Sunscreen can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and help prevent further damage from the sun. Natural remedies such as lemon juice, aloe vera, and apple cider vinegar can help to lighten dark spots and even out the skin tone. Dark spots can be frustrating, but they don't have to be permanent. With the right treatments, you can lighten the spots and reduce their appearance. If you're not sure where to start, it's best to speak with a dermatologist to get personalized advice on which treatments are best for you.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.